Today is day 21 of Project Dream Life, and today, ano nga ba yung best business para sa'yo? The best business type na pwede kahit wala kang capital. Na masisimulan mo, zero money involved, and higit sa lahat, mataas yung chance of profitability. So today guys, pag-usapan natin, ano nga ba yung business type na pwede sa'yo at mabagay sa'yo with zero peso involved with high profitability. Sa business na to, wala ka ilalabas sa pera. All you need to do is maghahanap ka ng client. And all you need to do is to bridge that. Kailangan mo lang pagdugsungin yung client at saka yung contractor na kayang gumawa ng service na hinahanap ng client. So basically, parang ang gagawin mo lang dito is magiging middleman ka lang. Then all you have to do is to provide the service sa client mo. Paano ka nga ba kikita? Pwede kang kumita using referral fee or di kaya naman mag-OP o magma-markup ka sa price ng contractor mo para magkakaroon ka ng commission. Ano-ano nga ba yung services na pwede mong simulan using this kind of method? First is home service provider like plumbing, cleaning, electrical, construction, and house renovation. Pwede din sa mga services like water installation, electrical installation, or anything na naghahanap yung client mo. Like, kung may mga client ka na naghahanap ng bahay and mayroon kang agent na makukuha ng bahay. So, all you have to do is to bridge them. And, nandun yung kita. Because, again, money is exchange of value. If you can provide the value, you will get the money. So, basically, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to provide a valuable solution sa problem ng client mo. And, mas mataas yung profitability nito. The higher the value you provide, the higher commission you will get. So, ayun lang guys. Share ko lang sa inyo. Hopefully, sa mga nagbabalak maging entrepreneur, if gusto nyo yung mga ganitong content, please like and comment and subscribe sa ating Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok accounts. So, ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo. That is all. Thank you for watching. Follow for day 22.